Magsangag tayo ng mais. Without oil ito. You can put also oil and then salt. But for me, I did not put oil here. Ayan, may balahibo. Sangag tayo ng young yellow corns. Without oil ito. You can put also oil and salt. Optional. But for me, I did not put oil here and salt also. Ayan, pumutok na. Putok-putok na. But this is already cooked. Ayan. Ayan oh. Pumutok na yung pumutok-putok na, nahulog na yung ano, diba? So this is already cooked. I have to turn off now the flame. Ayan, luto na ito. Sangag tayo ng mais. You can add also oil here, but for me no need to add oil. And also salt, optional. And this is more easy to cook than grilled, yung inihaw pa. Ayan. May ano ng ano yung ano ng ano yung ano pa ito, yung mais, yung ano niya, pero okay lang yan. This is like popcorn, but yung popcorn is dried. This is not dried popcorn. And this is not popcorn, this yellow corn. This kind of corn is not too much hard. I'm using this flat pan where I'm making this chapati or roti or tobos. Matakaw silang ganito. Wait lang ga, wait, is still not cooked. Wait. Nahawakan niya yung aking kamay. Wait. You want to eat? Ay lang ga. Before 2 to 3 days, grabe yung kanyang hyper. Walang tulog. Ngayon ko premiere kaninang umaga yung ano yung video ko sa kanya sa gabi. Na hindi siya natulog. More than the whole night. And then wala din siyang kain. Tapos ano, nagpainit na lang ako ng lukewarm fresh milk ng buffalo para painom ko siya kasi pinatake ko siya ng gamot sa kanyang epilepsy. Before 5 days ago, inatake siya ng kanyang epilepsy. Wait lang ga, wait. Ayan, pumutok-putok na. start ng pumutok. Ayan, pumutok na.